Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the personalized content function in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then if you scroll down a bit at the privacy settings section, click on the data settings button. And then click on the black circle next to the personalized content button if you want to enable this function, which will allow Vinted to personalize your feed and search results by evaluating your preferences, settings, previous purchases, and usage of the Vinted website and the application. So just click on the black circle, and if it turns blue, then the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.